Instinet has been offering commission sharing agreements called broker share for quite some time. Can you tell us more about the service in Asia, such as how its adoption by the buy side is, where you see CSAs are going, and when do you expect the Japan FSA to allow unbundling?
Well, it's a very relevant question for my business. In the US and Europe, unbundling is widely used. And really, in Europe, is almost considered the foundation upon which investment managers can achieve best execution. I think in Europe, traditionally, there had been a lot of difficulty in getting the buy side to focus on execution. In my mind, it's the foundation of the freedom for the buy side. Market trading is getting more challenging. Market structure is getting more challenging. Having a broker who is capable of executing under those circumstances is important as ever. Look at the volatility that we saw in the US last week. And you really want to be with a broker that's got great technology and great service when events like that happen. And without unbundling, I just don't see how the buy side can choose the best broker on an execution basis. So that freedom is generally good for brokers that have a strong execution product. In Asia, there's been mixed reception. In places like Hong Kong and to an extent Singapore and Australia, there's been some use of CSAs and unbundling over time, but nothing near like what we see in the US and Europe. In Japan, as you point out, the regulator hasn't blessed it, and many people expected them to bless it by the end of last year. But you've had some personnel changes within the regulator, and you have some complex issues to deal pension system and other vested interests in Japan in terms of allowing for unbundling. They could probably still achieve a reasonably good execution for you. January 1, that changes. And now in Japan, it's crucial that the sell-side brokers used by the Japan buy-side have electronic trading tools. We need algos just to be able to keep up with the speed of the market. You're going to need access to alternative venues when Chi-X launches in the second half of this year. The more important trading becomes, the more differentiated and complex trading can be, the more important it is that that clients can unbundle the trading service away from the other services. But when you don't have competition, you don't get investment. And if you look at Arrowhead, yeah, they finally did it, but it was a long time in coming. It was because of tremendous pressure based on some really bad occurrences on the Tokyo Stock Exchange a number of years ago. So, monopoly structure, people don't have the right technology, that's how it goes.